and I was like, what's this bucket?
True story.
What is this bucket? I want this bucket,
yes.
right? It's so nice, right? To be able to now serve in this type of silhouette. We're calling it a bowl,
right?
But it's so much more.
I designed it again to look like that beautiful kind of pail shape.
So cool.
Nice depth, 2 quart total capacity, and what we're always asked for, more bowls, more bowls, more bowls. So especially in the summertime when you want to keep those mayonnaise-based salads nice and cold, when you want to bring this as a little, now it's like a little beverage bucket that you're bringing out to the table. So many different ways that you can use it.
And it's the perfect size.
It's the perfect size and the perfect silhouette. Like,
$5.99 gets it home. That's your easy pay. H264498 is your item number. Okay, we've got color choices. I want to show you over here. I know. Come on with me. This is so much fun, right? Come on over here. Come on over the steps over here.
Yeah.
All right. So we've got, by the way, the dinner plates are coming up. So you definitely want to order these because that's a set of 2. Those are brand new today. But let's talk to you about this because we do have we have all this different colors that we've been talking to you about throughout this show. Old World in the cobalt blue, 400. Old World in the green, 300. There it is in the gray, 300. Confetti, 250. And then we also have taupe. I love that we have taupe in this one.
We're pretty much sold out of it everywhere else.
Floral lace, we have the cobalt blue, 400. We have the gray, 300. There it is in your taupe, 150. Cranberry, 100. Red, fewer than 100. Then we have the black, fewer than 100. Actually, we're last calling that floral lace black, so please don't wait on that. And then right down over here, we've got 2 more choices for you. This one is your woodland slate blue.
Slate blue, sorry.
400. It's next to this one in the gray. It's harder to see the difference, but you can see the difference.
I always say slate blue is like a periwinkle.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then there's the gray, 300. There's the buttercream, 150, and then there it is in the taupe, 200. H264498. Cooking them, prepping them, serving them, put them in your freezer, put them in your fridge, put the chicken in it. I mean, like, I love this for the fried chicken.
Put your fried chicken right inside here, whether you put it with a little towel or not, you don't have to. Look, we have steamed corn. Look how great that is to kind of serve it. You could match it back with grab an ear of corn,
like
put it with your one time only, and now you can like serve your corn right inside here. Like, look how great that is. Love the idea of, again, these all working together. Chilies, look at, we did a mac and cheese. Here's what I love. You can actually, our bowls become bakers as well. Like, a lot of people just have a bowl and it's a bowl, but this, you can bake inside here. So that mac and cheese, 2 quart total capacity, and that sweet silhouette and the shape is what really makes it that beautiful presentation. You could do a trifle in here. You could do Jell-O in here like you were talking about.
It does not stick to the bowl.
Sticks, no.
It does not stick to the bowl. You could literally, one day we should do this demonstration.
Just dump it right
we should
out?
just dump it out and show you it doesn't stick to the inside, which means cleanup is going to be easier, which means you get to use less fats if you want.
Right.
Here's what's also nice about this. You could actually just serve salad in it.
You could.
Yeah.
And it'll stay nice and cold, to your point.
Or how about like a cucumber and tomato, like a shepherd's type of salad?
Yes. Yes.
Right, with a little bit of feta cheese?
Yes.
You know, for real.
Top it with feta.
Exactly.
Everything's better with feta.
Everything's better with feta.
I love this idea, though, too. Like, when you need to keep those beverages cold, even just right at the table, this was kind of that whole design. Helper handles here with the cutouts, which is great, and still prepping, cooking, serving, storing, microwave safe, dishwasher safe.
The value is outstanding. At the sale price of $23.94, order this, get it home. You'll use it for all your entertaining, but you will use this on a regular basis. Every time you reach for a bowl, because it's the perfect size.
Yeah. And to your point earlier, like a catch-all, right? Like, I can see leaving this out, putting your mail in there, your keys in there, all the different things that you have. Now you can put it right there in that bowl on your countertop. All
right, I'm going to show you color choices very quickly one more time. If you're looking for Old World, we have it in the blue, green, gray, confetti, and taupe. If you want floral lace, we have the blue, gray, taupe. That is your cranberry, red, and black. Oh, black is gone. Sorry about that. We are last calling the red as well. If you want woodland, we have it for you in the slate blue. There is your gray. Here's your taupe. And there's your buttercream. H264498. $5.99 gets it home. So pick them up while we have them for you. Hey, take a look at your screen. We don't have time for these, but I want you to know that we have a set of 2 of these